To factory reset the units into EPs or endpoints, press and hold the configuration button. Wait for the status LED to turn red and extinguish, and release. Or you can simply count 10 seconds. Decide which adapter will become your access point or AP, and which adapter will be your end point or EP. Once you've decided, your AP, which is going to connect into your router or your modem, to configure this, press the config button and either count 5 seconds or wait for the AP LED to flash. Once the AP LED has stopped flashing, that will become your AP adapter. To pair the units, on your AP adapter, press and hold the config button, count 5 seconds, wait for the AP LED to flash and release. While the AP LED is flashing on your EP adapter, press and hold the config button, wait for the AP LED to flash and release. On your AP adapter, once the AP LED has stopped flashing, the units will be paired.